In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect GitHub to ChatGPT. Alright, so the first step, you want to go to your profile in bottom left corner, then you want to go to settings, and from the settings, you want to go to apps. Then you want to click on explore apps, and here you just want to simply search for GitHub, and you can see it's over here. You can access repositories from it, and you just need to click on it. Now you can read through it, what you can do with it. So you can, let's say, explore your repository files, some documentation, summarize, pull requests. Then you want to click on connect, right? And this should open this window where you want to click on continue to GitHub. And this is going to redirect you to GitHub page, and you just need to sign in with your account which you want to connect. All right, so I'm going to use Google account. And then you just have to authorize ChatGPT Codex connector. All right, so you just have to click on it. And then this should connect our GitHub to ChatGPT. GitHub is now connected. Now you can click on configure repositories on GitHub. And you want to allow ChatGPT your repositories, so you can choose if you want to allow it only a specific one or all. So I'm gonna go with the all, then click on install and authorize, and now it should be all successfully connected. All right, so now if you go back to apps and I'm gonna search for GitHub, you can see the check mark over here, and if I click start chat, now you can ask anything about your repositories or whatever you want. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.